Tesla developing more comprehensive Cybertruck camera system. Tesla has confirmed that it is developing a more comprehensive cleaning solution for the Cybertruck's cameras. The update was announced by the official Tesla AI account on social media platform X, Customer Complaints. Instead of a traditional rear-view mirror, the Cybertruck uses a rear camera to provide drivers with a video feed of their vehicle's rear. Similar to other Teslas, the Cybertruck is also fitted with a suite of cameras that provide a surround view of the vehicle. However, some Cybertruck owners, such as Dirty Tesla, have observed that the Cybertruck's cameras tend to get obscured by dirt. Another Cybertruck owner, Cybertruck Guy, also joked that if he does not specifically clean his Cybertruck's cameras every drive, he gets multiple cameras blocked or blinded errors. Initially, the Tesla AI team's responses to the Cybertruck owner's comments were lighthearted, with the team stating that the all-electric pickup truck's cameras probably need a bit of personal attention. These comments, however, received some criticism from longtime FSD tester Chuck Cook, who noted that Tesla should probably have a plan for the Cybertruck's dirty camera issues, especially when FSD unsupervised gets released. While I agree cleaning cameras while supervised is definitely something we need to consider, having an official post from Tesla AI about cleaning our own cameras is a bit concerning. The Tesla AI team responded to Cook's concerns by confirming that the electric vehicle maker is indeed working on an updated solution to ensure that the Cybertruck's cameras are not obscured. On a more serious note, a more comprehensive cleaning solution is being worked on. The Tesla AI team wrote in a post on X, such a solution would be invaluable, especially considering that Tesla is looking to launch robotaxi services in the near future. Source: reposted and summarized from Simon Alvarez at teslarati.